So what we're gonna try to do today is continue building, obviously. We want to do that now that if I click, the car will be in there, and it will also be registered in the board, wherever it needs to be registered for the game to be working, and all of that. So yeah, let's get that started. Alright, we're gonna check now something. We're gonna check if what we did worked. It might not. We're about to see. Right, so click purple. We can put it wherever we want. Let's decide on putting it here. Oh, we're out. Okay, let's try this again. I want to place purple here. Ooh, look at that. We placed it. Try to pick it up. So let's say I pick up the purple. Let me rotate it, see if it works also with rotation. Click on orange, for example, and then on it, click the purple. I'm still taking it. Changing it. There's a couple things before I want to actually see if it works, you know, like solving it and stuff. I want to see like a better way to like show that I'm placing it here. Cause you could, like right now it's like it stops. It's very weird. And also I want to have an option to, like, if I click, I don't want to go click the purple again to release it. I want to have a button I can click, just like I'm thinking like F or something. If I click F, it will release the car. Another thing that I just thought about, I probably can add 2 whites. Yeah, look at that. I can add 2 whites. Obviously that's not good. So he should probably disappear from here. Alright, we got the F working. Now we can release the car by pressing F. So that's very useful. I also want to do, when I click on something, like let's say I'm clicking on the white, it should disappear from there, right? And then when I'm pressing F, if he's on it, then it goes back. That does that. Okay, wait, so now I'm thinking of something. I guess I don't really have to find a cool way to make it show that it's being placed, because I'm forgetting that there's gonna be sound. There's gonna be a sound of me picking something up and sound of me placing it down, so I'll know. The other thing I have to do is that now that when if I don't want the orange anymore, right? If I'm like clicking it now and I'm gonna go click a purple, orange is gone forever. So I need to press. So if I click something else like that, while I have a color, or if I click F while it's here, it needs to pop back. Those are the two things, I think. Ooh, and or if I'm clicking, as you can see, I just clicked from yellow to red, from white to red. I also have to pop it back then. So yeah, a bunch of things. All right, I think this will work. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to take a purple. I'm going to place it here. We're going to try all 3 different methods. So the first method is, okay, I'll take an orange and I'll press F. Very good. It comes back and I can take it again. Let me rotate it. Put it here. Let's take the purple. Oh. Right, so I think I just have to do that little if there. Okay. Let's do this again. So I'm gonna press F while orange. Okay. I'm going to rotate this. And I'm gonna take the purple back, and now I'm going to click on the orange, which means I'm gonna switch to the orange, and the purple goes back. That is good. And the last thing is clicking on something else. So I'm taking my orange. I'm gonna click on yellow. The orange goes back to its place. Good. Everything works. Right, so the last thing that I have to make sure is that, oh wait, no, wait, so I made sure everything, because now I can't put the same piece twice. Alright, so that's it. That's everything I need to do for design, for like being able to click on things and stuff like that. So now I want to be able to see if it solves it, right? I want a solve button like somewhere here. And I want it to only pop up though once it has at least a white on the board, because if there's no white, then there's no way to solve it. So if there is a white, there might be a way. This is beautiful. Try to solve this. Sorry about the banging. There's some banging. Alright, let's do that thing with the solve. Alright, let's see if my solve is correct. So as you can see, I have a solve button. If I click it, it will tell me can't solve yet. Make sure the white card is on the board and that you are not holding any card. Okay, let's try to put the white card on the board. Let's like click F and then it will tell me again. So now I'm going to try to see if we can be able to solve it. Alright, I mean, I don't have to really do anything. Let's just see if it works. So the level I want to do is the same level we've always been using so far to test it out. I gotta find that again. I love the quality. Anyways, I want to do this level right here. So I'm going to put the white here. I'll put, I guess, an orange here, a yellow here, and another 3-1 over here. It can't be red because I made my red too, but that's just design. Anyways, let's try to solve it. It did it. And not only that, we also have in our output, as you can see, the moves we did. So yeah, the moves also work great. So the last thing, so obviously I don't want it to be in the output, because then the player never sees that. So I do want it to, after you solve, I want this to go away, and I want there to be like a solve board that showed the moves that it did, and then a reset button to spawn. So it resets everything. Everything goes back to here, nothing on the board. Solve goes back, like everything resets. So everything I just said right now we'll do in the next one. But let's just check all these levels in here, because we already have these levels up. Let's see if we can actually do them and see if the moves, because this one looks insane. There's just a lot there. Alright, this is what we're doing it. Solve. That doesn't look right. I don't think that's solved. You know, I think it might actually solve it, and this is just the showing to design problem. It's a very weird one. It's very hard. Hey, yo! Look, now this time that I did it. What? That's the moves that it did. Let me put again the board. 13 U1. 16 U1. Now instead of going, no, it's then doing 17 R1. Hey, yo! Oh no, I have bugs everywhere. Okay. I'll fix that later. I'm guessing, I know what it is, I don't know how to fix it yet, but. So then it's doing 15 D2. It's going down here. 2 R3. 1, 2, 3. 15 U1. 17 L1. And then it does 14 R2 for some reason, doesn't need to. Oh my god, I did it again. Anyways, lol. So it's doing that, and then it's doing 16 D1, and then it can finally leave. Anyway, so sometimes that works, right? And then sometimes I do it, like I'm guessing I'm gonna do it now again. And it does this crazy mess, and it says solved. It's so funny. Yeah, anyways, I have a lot of bugs, and I think the next one I'm gonna be trying to fixing that. So one is that design thing that it does sometimes. I have to do that. I have to fix that thing where if I don't click on the very left or top of the car, it's like it's being dumb. Ugh. This is very hard. This game is the hardest I've ever made. Like, it's so annoying. Alright. Peace.